Authentic Italian Mocha Espresso Recipe. Ciao a tutti. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an authentic Italian Mocha Espresso using a mocha pod. It's a classic way to brew espresso at home, and trust me, once you try it, you'll fall in love with the rich, bold flavor it produces. So, let's get started. Ingredients. 1 cup instant coffee. 1 cup sugar. 4.5 cup non-fat dry milk. 1/2 cup cocoa. Instructions. Mix the ingredients together until well combined. Blend the mixture in a blender until it forms a powdered consistency. Use 2 tablespoons of the powdered mix per small cup of hot water. Serve the prepared espresso in demi-tasse cups. This recipe yields approximately 7 cups of the mix.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.